Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the Brother Stellaire 2 Innov-is XE2 Disney Embroidery Machine, a versatile crafting tool designed for both novice and experienced embroiderers. This machine, with its expansive embroidery area of 14 inches by 9.5 inches, offers ample space for various projects, making it suitable for everything from intricate designs to larger quilt blocks. At first glance, the Brother Stellaire 2 stands out not only for its size but also for its features that integrate both sewing and embroidery functionalities. It is equipped with a comprehensive touchscreen display, which allows users to easily navigate through numerous pre-installed Disney designs, adding a whimsical touch to any project. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, providing a seamless experience for those new to embroidery, while also offering advanced options for seasoned users. One of the notable aspects of the Brother Stellaire 2 is its built-in editing features. Users can resize, rotate, and combine designs directly on the machine, which can save time and enhance creativity. The machine supports a variety of embroidery formats, catering to a wide range of design preferences. Additionally, the inclusion of automatic needle threading and an adjustable presser foot pressure simplifies the setup process, allowing users to focus on their craft rather than technical adjustments. For those interested in using the machine for sewing, the Brother Stellaire 2 does not disappoint. It includes a number of stitch options, including utility and decorative stitches, making it a comprehensive solution for various sewing projects. The dual functionality of this machine reduces the need for multiple devices, which is especially beneficial for those with limited workspace. When it comes to usage, the machine is designed to accommodate a variety of fabrics, from light silks to heavy denim. Its robust construction ensures stability during operation, while the powerful motor delivers consistent performance throughout extended projects. Users can expect smooth stitching and embroidery, contributing to a professional-looking finish. In conclusion, the Brother Stellaire 2 Innov-is XE2 Disney Embroidery Machine is a well-rounded device that caters to a broad spectrum of embroidery and sewing needs. With its generous embroidery area, user-friendly interface, and diverse functionality, it provides a solid option for individuals looking to explore their creativity in fabric arts, whether they are just starting or looking to expand their skills.